Hey guys, this is Austin, and today I'm here with an unboxing of the new iPad 4. With new, more powerful internals and the lightning port, it looks good on paper, so hit that like button and let's take a look. First things first, we've got the classic Apple packaging, which contains a black 16GB Wi-Fi only iPad 4. The protective plastic wrap is made quick work of, so with a quick pop of the lid, we're in business. In true unboxing fashion, we're going to set the iPad aside for 1 minute while we take a look at the accessories. First off, we have a bit of paperwork, which contains a quick start guide going over the basics, safety info, and the most important thing of all, the Apple stickers. Don't deny it, these are the whole reason you're watching this video. You'll also find the new 12-watt USB charger, which looks just like the old one but will now charge your iPad faster, which is definitely appreciated. Also included is a lightning cable, which you can use to charge and sync, and replaces the outgoing 30-pin connector. With that out of the way, we have the brand new iPad 4 ready to go. From the front, it looks nearly identical to the previous iPad, with the same 9.7-inch Retina display and fairly large bezel. However, the front-facing camera has now been upgraded to a FaceTime HD camera capable of 720p video. Around back, you'll see things are practically identical, with a smooth aluminum casing and a 5-megapixel iSight camera capable of 1080p video. On the right is your volume rocker and silent/rotation lock, and up top is the new sleep-wake button, microphone, and headphone jack. Down bottom is your brand new lightning port along with a single speaker from before. Physically, the iPad 4 is very similar to the iPad 2 and 3, but the biggest improvement has been internal, which I can't wait to check out. If you're interested in more videos, including an iPad mini giveaway, be sure to hit up the subscribe button and drop a like if you enjoyed. Anyway guys, I will catch you in the next one.